Alright, I finally cleaned my garage. I know it doesn't look clean, but it is. So I'm gonna look what kind of mess and tragedy I have underneath here. So yeah, let's just see what shit I have accumulated over the 2 years that this has been sitting. Alright. Alright, let's see. Filled to the brim. Alright, let's start taking this shit out. First box down, dude. Look at all this. Not too bad. Old fuel pump, new fuel pump. I believe some sort of hardware for this fuel pump. For that, probably. This thing, no clue. Yeah, I don't know. I probably used it. I don't know. I don't know what this is for. I think it came out of that, but I couldn't tell you. I got valve cover bolts, 10mm bolts. There's 4 of them, and 10 whatever nuts. Oh, nuts and bolts. And I got one of those, so that's good. Hardware. No. If you put a gun to my head and asked me where all these went, I would not be able to answer you. Don't know what those are, I'll save those. And don't know what these are. This looks important and it's broken. Maybe, I don't know. Stuff, sway bar. And I know I got some goodies in here, so let's see what the heck this little stuff's got. All right. Skid plate. I don't know, red 46 or something? Is that what that says? It says something from somewhere. Axle hub bolts, whatever, nuts. Oh, look at these. E30 wheel spacers, but there's like the hub centric fucking thing, you know what I mean? There's no hubs. What am I supposed to do with these? Just put them on and pray? You know what I mean? There's supposed to be like a lip on here, so maybe I'll just use these as like frisbees. Yeah, so whatever. Ooh, look at these. Leo Grande Racing, brother. Got that aluminum billet door handles. This is all really important when you're doing an engine swap because you need random stuff that doesn't really matter. Like this, for example. Perfect example. Look at that. You need one of these for your shifter, you know? OEM BMW mud flaps. Didn't even know I had these. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just fucked. Dude, that does too, dude. Yeah, I got a bunch of crap, dude. I'm just kind of screwed. I'm screwed. All right. Well, anyways, whatever. That doesn't matter at all. This is the only thing on this table that matters because this is actually going to make the car run. Yeah. Let's see. Oh shit. Let's see what we got going on in here. Oh yeah. Oh. Jonah from the past didn't want to bolt the seat down. You know, I would have done the same, Jonah. I agree. What do we got in here? I'm just sitting down. Oh, yeah. Oh God, I'm stuck. Ooh. Man, I haven't even seen it in here. Are these glasses? Ooh, look at this. That's nice. Dude, we got screwdrivers and stuff. Oh my God, this is really bad. What's this? What the fuck is this? Oh, pickle bottom? Is this like to wipe your ass? Is these like wipes? Why are there butt wipes in here? Dude. heater hose. Dude, yeah, this is not bad. Not too bad, you know, it's just filled with crap. Oh, hey, look at a DME or PCM or whatever you want to call it. What do we got back here? What do we got? This. What is this? Wow. Dude, is that Kamei? Kamei grill or whatever the hell? What the hell does that say? Who cares, you know? It used to be blue? Oh god, dude, this is not good. Not good. What the heck is this? What is this? Oh my god. Hang on, I gotta pull this out. Anyone who's done an engine swap knows they, you know, buy stuff, you know, for example, 2 times. You know, sometimes you gotta buy the wrong stuff to figure out that it was wrong, so then you can buy the right stuff, right? So I'll use these as frisbees, and I'll use these. This is what I was talking about. That's the hub scent. That's what you need. I don't even know where I bought these. Not good. Stainless steel brake lines, some fucking brake caliper mounting thing. Look at these, dude. I don't even remember. I totally forgot I had these. Isn't that crazy? You just forget you spend all this money on stuff. Damn, boy, I thought I got black too. Holy shit, boy. Damn, boy. That's a thick ass boy right there. I forgot about that. Okay, so big brakes. None of this stuff really matters, honestly. Bitch, dude. Heat shield. Miscellaneous coolant hoses. Old OEM ones. Oh. Quarters in there. Look at all fucking quarters, dude. What a mess. What an absolute mess. Look at that. Check out that clean wiring harness. Here. Look at this. Limpio, dude. That's usually how. Check out that glove box, too. Oh my god. Something happening here, dude. I mean, I haven't even mentioned the half vinyl wrap, you know, it's like, who cares, you know? What does that say? Who wrote this? Godspeed. Yeah, I need it. I'm pretty sure that was my little brother, Peter. Thanks, Peter. That's cool. Jesus Christ, I just really... Oh, yeah, that's loose. You ever, like, start something and didn't tape those up? You ever, like, start something and then like, be like, yeah, I'll finish this later. Yeah, me too. Oh, look at that. That thing's cool. I literally put the bolts for this exhaust manifold on and just zip tied them, but I finally bolted them down because I'm turning a new leaf, you know? I'm being a better person. And so I decided I gotta finish this fucking car. Because, I mean, look at it. It's got that thing. And that thing's supposed to be good, you know? So I wanna... God, what is going on down here, dude? Yeah, so, this is my TED Talk, you know? Thanks for showing up. Well, I cleaned some stuff and I made a mess, and now I'm gonna go back inside and go cry for a little bit, and then, yeah. All right, see you later.